Good morning, my name is John David Cardales Garcia. Here it is my Chevrolet Chinibebil introduction of the plate. What can people, a municipality of meant stories and legends. This municipality has beautiful blazed swatches, the beach, the Magdalena River, and the Min Park. It is a municipality, a one kind meant very beautiful and what came during its childhood cultures, typical food and the festival. Tuition of the trip. I won't be in the municipality minimum 3 days and should net. The first day the Suez size and restaurants are new. The second day I go to the beach. I bet I sunbathe and at night I go out to have fun. And the tourists they will make the lads of the municipality and go shout mass and pack my bed to them to the city. Means the transportation. The means of transport used as motorcycles, bicycles, cars, and motortaxi. Activity to those. At Pan, every ball people must visit the church centers of the municipality. People must know the caution and belief that such municipality had. When people around as they must feed and had should know the big that the municipality had. Et pan Euroipol, people should know the typical fields and trends of the municipality. Faces should stay. Faces should stay. Their spectacular and cheap house chows where you can go shoot black. Typical foods. The typical foods of the municipality of Tamalameque are quinquén sancocho, goat, chips, and custard, wheat and fence all the eight present, presentation. Among the typical 20 corazon, yeast, temens, yeast, and mangolders. Cats. The cans of the chef for a family plan of the 3 days and 2 nights halves cans of 1 million for for ham de 1,000 pesos. Pilots, these are the images of the municipality of Tamalameque. Thank you.